Let's look at a live demo. This is our application's user interface. You can find more details about our application in the user guide and model detail tabs here. On the left-hand side, the user has the ability to choose which text-to-SQL model to use. We provide GPT-4, which is accessed through OpenAI's API, Defog SQL Coder model, which is accessed through an AWS SageMaker endpoint, and finally our Mistral fine-tuned model, which is loaded in the app startup using the model files. The user also has the ability to decide which database to work out of, or alternatively, they can upload a CSV file and ask questions on custom on-the-fly data. The database schema is also displayed here dynamically so that users have the ability to know what columns are under which table, which should help formulate questions and double-checking answers. Now let's say that I am a non-technical user and need a quick answer to a specific question. We get to bypass the need for a Jira ticket or whatever organizational process is in place, and instead we can get the answer in seconds. We will return a user-friendly summarization of the data as seen here, and you can also look at the data through the table preview, as well as the actual SQL query used for troubleshooting purposes. But what happens if our database returns a large amount of records? You'll be able to see the size of the data in our user-friendly output and what it looks like through the table preview, but you can always download the data as a CSV file for further analysis. Our models also all handle nonsensical input or questions that cannot be answered by the database schema. So for example, you will see that our model will not answer this question based off the given schema. And lastly, let's look at a demo with our Mistral fine-tuned model. We set a reset chat button here just to keep things clean. Our application interface is flexible on what text-to-SQL model is used since the large language model landscape continues to change. And there you have it. You can see that we get a similar output summarization for different models.